Ooh, yeah. Ooh, that's very yellow. So now that my face is done, I don't look like an egg anymore, I can now do my hair. So yes, if you didn't see my last video, I did chop off a good portion of my hair and I really want to go shorter still, and that's where I'm at right now in life. Life is just really good. It's just really YouTube I need to work on, but I have just so much going on that like, you know, school comes first, even though I'm putting homework before this. But I'm very happy to be back and, like, you know, recording a bit more, and my past two bits have been more vlog style in a way. I realized I filmed a lot in like 2014-esque style, and like although that was great back then, I need to change it up and like get into this new way. So here's some hairstyles that you can do if you have short hair too. Definitely, I know this isn't that short, but it is short for me, and also I do consider short to be at the shoulders or like above, obviously. But that's what I consider short hair, and I am a hairstylist too. So yesterday I straightened my hair with my curling iron because my hair straightener wasn't working. So dry shampoo will be our best friend. Also too, because I do only wash my hair once a week. So yeah. So with this, I find with dry shampoo, you have to go ham with it. Depending on, like, you know, where you're at in the week. If it's the second day after you washed it, use it as if you would use your expensive perfume. Very little. But I'm on my 4th day, so I need a lot. So I need to treat it like it's my Bath & Body Works perfume. Spray a lot, rub it in, massage it in, get rid of the white marks, because that's how you get rid of them. People complain about it all the time. It's there to tell you where it is. It's there so you know where to work it into the hair. So work it in, scratch your head, make it feel good, you know, scratch it like you were petting your dog, like, hi, how are you? Oh my god, I missed you. And I like to brush it out too, because I find my hair gets tangly even more. So for me and my short hair, I get inspired by so many people for hair things. I got inspired by Alicia Marie and Olivia Holt. They are two amazing young women, and I really aspire to them. Alicia, because we're both on YouTube. You know, she's just a great person. I love her. I love watching her vlogs. And then Olivia, she's just really down to earth, and I love the character she's always been playing on TV. And she's a great singer, and I just love her so much. Like, if she called me and was like, hey, you're great, I hope you're doing well, thanks for your love and support, I would die. Speaking of, Olivia Holt actually saw my Instagram story where I tagged her in it when I was getting inspiration, because I was like, you know what, maybe I should hint towards it, because I was going to do a surprise reveal video, and I'm still freaking out over it. So after we comb out our hair, put in the dry shampoo, you know, I really like doing the really far part, like almost all the way to the side here, or a middle part. It's really, there's no in between with me. And then for a simple look, honestly, short hair is a blessing, because then you can just put it over your ear, put on a bold earring, and you're good. You want to put the bumper side on your scalp, and voila, look how cute this looks. Look how polished it looks. It's probably not that polished because I don't have a mirror with me. Or you could do a braid into this area here. But a braid, a simple little braid. I'm gonna go under just because I prefer it. No real reason, honestly. I'm not adding anything. It's nothing fancy, just a simple braid just at the part line. And I'm pulling it towards the back just so it'll lay nicely. Because if you don't, it'll look weird. And do you want to look weird? Do you want to look like JoJo Siwa or whatever the heck her name is? Do you want a receding hairline? I don't think so. So you should not do her hairstyle. Please don't. Honestly, never please do. So tie it off. Maybe fluff it up a little bit. But then just tuck it behind here. Tuck it behind a piece of hair so you don't see it. Honestly, it annoys me when I can see bobby pins and stuff. And voila, another simple look. I know I'm doing a lot with this side, but this is like my bang area, so, but you could easily slick this back too if that's your look. I personally like having something on my face all the time. And also too, I'm just going to insert a clip of the one I did a few days ago for work. It was basically a cornrow to a tiny little bun in the center of my head. And it was very cute, and everyone was complimenting my hair and being like, wow, that's a look. Like, people were saying that to me. Literally, just the same thing, but just on this side. If you want to go the extra mile, get a cute, I like that, this used to be cute to me, but get like a Brit like this. I want to get gold stuff like this, and just clip it back like that, And then you have it of your face, but then it looks cute when people see it. Like I said, I want to get gold ones or like cuter ones because this used to be cute to me, but not anymore. Take a section right here. I'm just taking a little section like this. Then I'm gonna brush. I'm gonna brush this all back. You could tease it if you want some volume, but I don't. Not the front of my head, at least I don't like volume there. And then just clip it up like this, and then boom, another look. But look how easy it is to style short hair. I don't know why people have struggles with this. I think just tucking it behind your ear is very cute, honestly. You can show off your eye look, you can show off your earrings, you can show off an outfit easier, and yes. So that is it for today's video, and I hope you did enjoy it in some way, shape, or form. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video next Sunday, and I hope I don't miss it, because I feel bad every time I miss a Sunday, but school and work come first before this, and I'm very sorry, but it is the truth, and yeah. But I really do love and appreciate you all so much, and I hope, really fucking hope to see you soon. I hope to see you guys next Sunday with another new video. Bye, babes.